You know, David, the best way to do that is to hit them with both
Okay,
those skills
so
at once.
now I'm recording this, so hopefully it'll get fixed. I don't even. Where are people, anyways?
I didn't want to exit.
Yeah, okay. I'm running as fast as I can.
We shall call Paul's gun the Sparkler, Soma. It shall become a new thing.
Spelucular? Enemy gunship!
La.
Take it down!
Scanning, scanning, scanning. Lots of crappy things.
I can't switch weapons either. I can just break the barrel things just by walking over them. That's funny.
So wait, is it doing some kind of damage on the end of the barrel?
I guess so. That's the
Well,
only
he is a
explanation I
sparkler.
can next. Oh man.
They
All
don't
these-
have his brand.
All these
Yeah,
shell
specialized.
casings. Almost there.
No! I must kill the last generator before Paul gets here! Damn.
Okay.